Want to make a withdrawal from a Washington State ABLE account? In this video, we'll give you an overview of the withdrawal process. There are 3 ways to make a withdrawal from an ABLE account. You can transfer ABLE account funds to a linked bank account, request a paper check, or transfer funds to an ABLE Visa prepaid card. The minimum withdrawal amount for any option is $10. Option 1. Transfer funds to a linked bank account. Withdrawals from an ABLE account to a linked bank account can be made in 2 ways: online or through a mail-in form. To make a withdrawal online, log into an ABLE account, click the Transfers tab on the Account Overview page, and then click Withdrawals. Here, in the drop-down menu, you'll select the bank account that is already linked to the ABLE account. Enter a withdrawal amount and click the Review button. To confirm the withdrawal, click the Withdraw Money button. The withdrawal can take 2 to 7 business days to process. You can also make a withdrawal from an ABLE account by mailing in a withdrawal form. Go to www.washingtonstate.able.com/wa-able-withdrawal-form.pdf to download the form. Print the form and only use black ink to fill it out. Do not staple any of the sheets together. Follow steps 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 on the form to make a withdrawal from an ABLE account. You should only follow these steps if you already have a bank account linked to an ABLE account. Once you've filled out the appropriate steps in the form, you'll need to put the form in a standard envelope and write the mailing address on it per the instructions listed on the form. Last, put postage on the envelope. There is no fee associated with making a withdrawal from an ABLE account by mail-in form to a linked bank account, besides regular or overnight postage. That's all for Option 1. Option 2. Request a paper check. To request a paper check as a type of withdrawal from an ABLE account balance, download and print the mail-in withdrawal form. Follow steps 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 on the form to make a withdrawal from an ABLE account. In Step 1 of the paper form, be sure to select the second bubble, a check sent to the mailing address on the account. Make sure to specify the check should be made out to the beneficiary or the ALR. Continue with Steps 2, 3, 4, and 6, then put the form in a standard envelope and write the mailing address on it per the directions listed on the form. Last, put postage on the envelope. There's a $2.50 fee associated with requesting a paper check withdrawal, which will be deducted from your ABLE account. That's all for Option 2. Please note, the check may take 5 to 7 business days to arrive. Option 3. Transfer funds to an ABLE Visa prepaid card. To sign up for an ABLE Visa prepaid card or manage a pre-existing card, go to www.washingtonstateable.com/prepaid. If you're signing up for a card, select Sign Up to register as either an authorized legal representative, ALR, or an ABLE account beneficiary who's managing their own account. In this process, you'll be redirected to the TrueLink Financial website. To order an ABLE Visa prepaid card as the ALR, you'll need to create a TrueLink Financial account with an email address for an email account you have access to. You'll then need to fill out the fields in the ABLE card order form, including the ALR's name and address. You can begin transferring money to the ABLE card 1 to 3 business days after it has been ordered. It will be delivered within 6 to 9 business days. Once the card has arrived, it can be activated by calling 1-888-219-9054 or by following directions provided in a confirmation email sent to the email account associated with your ABLE Visa prepaid card account. You can also order a prepaid card for the beneficiary by emailing ablecard@truelinkfinancial.com. Once the prepaid card is activated, it will appear as an option in your ABLE account to transfer funds to. To transfer money to the prepaid card, follow the steps in Option 1 of the online withdrawal process as outlined earlier in this video, selecting your prepaid card instead of the linked bank account as the Transfer To option. You've now completed a review of the 3 options you have to make a withdrawal from an ABLE account. The ABLE Visa prepaid card can be managed further at https://washington-able.truelinkfinancial.com and can be used anywhere Visa debit cards are accepted. All ABLE account withdrawals and contributions are tracked and can be viewed in the ABLE account by clicking the Transfers tab on the Account Overview page and then clicking Withdrawals. Thanks a lot for watching our video on the Washington State ABLE account withdrawal process. In this video, we covered the 3 ways to make a withdrawal from a Washington State ABLE account. Need assistance with making a contribution or withdrawal from a Washington State ABLE savings plan? Or navigating an ABLE account? Call 1-844-600-2253 Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time or via TTY at 1-844-888-2253 Monday through Friday from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time.